Howdy folks, this is Rusty with American Motorcycle Trading Company here in Bedford, Texas. If you're looking to save a little bit of gas money at the gas pump, I've got a 2020 Harley Davidson Street Glide Special. And if you'd like to know more about it, such as pricing, or if you'd like to view the VinSmart VIN report, which is very similar to a Carfax, you can click on the link below in the description and it'll take you directly to our website. This one has the stiletto red paint on it. Now it's got the 114-inch fuel-injected Milwaukee 8 with a 6-speed transmission, but this one has had some motor work done to it. It's got the Screaming Eagle heads, S&S cylinders. Unfortunately, we could not verify what exactly has been done to it. It does have a Vance & Hines exhaust, aftermarket high-flow breather, floorboards for the rider, pegs for the passenger. It's got the engine guard, factory security, 6.5-inch touchscreen display with Bluetooth and navigation, electronic cruise control, ABS brakes. It's got air suspension on it. You can see right there, it's got the little miniature bar and shield logos. And let's go tread on the front tire. Got the one-touch saddlebag latches. It's got a 4-point docking hardware, and it currently has a quick detached passenger backrest. You can take that off if you want to. Put a luggage rack or even a tour pack. Let's go tread on the rear tire. The bike has very low miles. $500 miles. If you'd like to know more about it, pick up the phone and give us a call. Or you can always click on that link below in the description. It'll take you directly to our website where you can also view the rest of our inventory. We do have a full parts and service department. We offer finance and warranty options. We accept almost anything in on trade, and we ship and sell bikes worldwide. This is Rusty with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Bedford, Texas. The freedom to choose.